All right, today we're gonna put together this cute happy birthday penguin sled. And I put some together in advance. These I created so that if you wanted to put a popsicle stick on and use them for cupcakes, to also add to your birthday party. You'll notice that I printed out I cut the whole card. So we're gonna put together these little penguins. There's the little white bodies. I didn't mask off where the bodies go, but they go towards the bottom, because you'll notice that the hat and scarf just sort of go over the face and the neck. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put these down with a little sticky tape. You could use a glue stick. I also use a zig pen, which I really like. Now to put the feet on, you'll notice that they do have a position, and here's where I'm going to actually use my zig pen. Blocking the top. I could also just put the glue here, which I'm going to do on this one, and then pop the other foot in. I'm going to do the same thing for the little beak. It just goes right below the where the black ends. So same thing for the feet here. Let's do this one and this one. Oh, it actually didn't stick at all. It stuck to me. That was funny. Oh, it's really sticking to me. I must have some glue on my fingers, which I need to make sure I don't. Put a little beak in. And the final one, just gonna tap this. So making it so that the penguins are fully formed allows you as the crafter to, you could take the individual penguins, you could blow them up, make a little birthday banner from my pieces. And now to put their scarves and hats on. Here's the front one. His scarf goes across. This is the back one. And then the center is also blue. So I'm going to use the zig pen. Let's attach the hat pieces first. You can see they go right into the shape. The dots are on the edge of the hat. And then this one is the inside of the hat. So the way the card goes together is all of this base goes into position first, including the lettering. And then we'll put the penguins' hats on and then put them onto the sleigh. So the sleigh goes right here. Just attach that first. And then this is the undercolor of the sleigh, which goes right in there. And then you can see how the happy birthday fits right into the layout so that you know exactly where it goes. I designed it so that there's just a little bit of blue underneath it. So I'm gonna put the, I'm doing it backwards, yes. I'm gonna put the birthday part down first. Use my little tweezer. And my B. And you can see how the happy lays in. Same concept. That you have the structure of the shadow of the letter below it so that you know exactly where it goes. I find that helpful, especially when I want to put stuff on straight. I don't have to worry about measuring it or seeing where does it go. Now I am going to put this on, although I could pop dot at the end. So I'm going to leave that off for the moment because I can decide if my sleigh comes in front like this. Just put this on. I think my tape is a little too wide, so I'm just going to use my zig pen. Remember, I wanna put it below the sleigh, and you'll notice that before I didn't glue that down just for this reason. So I'm gonna put this in position, and I'm gonna bring the sleigh leg up, and then drop that all in. So when this goes onto the card, I can also pop out it because you see the background's open. All right, so let's put the little penguins in position so that I know where the hat and scarves go. I believe that I'm gonna start with the last one first because he'll be under everything. So you can see where his little arm goes, right? And then the way the hat falls in. So this is the basic position that the penguins will go in. I'm gonna put these down and then the sleigh base goes over, and this I'll actually pop dot. I was gonna pop dot the penguins, but they're a little bit too high. So I'm just gonna use my glue stick. My glue tape. Great for a winter birthday or just to celebrate somebody that you love with some serious cuteness. Okay, so this one's gonna go down flat. And then I'm gonna pop dot the so that's all the way down. And I am going to just put a little dot of glue on this sleigh leg that stays in position. I'm just gonna pop dot the front, and I'm gonna put this glue stick on the back of it. It's a little too skinny to do what I'm thinking it should have been doing. So I'm gonna use this. Let's just use a half a dot. So I'm gonna use a half. And a half. So I'm gonna put it down flat here. Make it pop up there. Oh, so much better. So then this will be pop dotted onto the card. And I did make a second set because I really wanted to show you that you could have this, and again, you could put popsicle sticks. You could cut them so that they're two-sided for popsicle sticks, for cupcakes, a little favor you could stick on a bag. All right. Thanks for watching.